In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly edit your website using Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or just crafting your online presence for the first time, understanding how to navigate and customize your site header is crucial for creating a visually appealing and functional platform for your audience. So let's dive right in and make the website management experience as seamless as possible. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace homepage. If you haven't logged in already, make sure to do so using your account credentials. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard where the magic happens. Here you will find various options to either create a new site or manage your existing ones, depending on where you are in your journey. Since we are focusing on editing an existing website, select the site you want to modify from your list of websites. Next, direct your attention to the Websites section on the main menu. When you click on it, you will gain access to a variety of settings dedicated to website customization. Find the Edit button and click on it. This action takes you into the editing mode, an environment designed for making changes to your live site while giving you a preview of how those changes will appear to your visitors. It's like working on a blank canvas, encouraging you to tweak and refine every element to your satisfaction. Now focus on the site header, which is essentially the top section of your website that contains your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes contact information or social media links. Hover over this area with your cursor and you'll notice an option to Edit Site Header appear. Once you click on it, new settings will unfold, allowing you to make comprehensive changes to the header. This could mean adjusting the font, swapping out a logo, or even rearranging menu items to improve navigability and aesthetics. It's about finding the right balance between function and form. Once you've made the necessary adjustments and are pleased with how your site looks, it's time to save those changes. With all edits secured, your website will reflect the changes instantaneously, offering a fresh and updated interface to your visitors. It's a straightforward process, but one that can significantly impact how your site is perceived, helping you stand out in today's crowded digital landscape. And that's all there is to it. With these simple yet effective steps, you can transform your website into a tool that not only engages but delights your audience. Feel free to experiment and make it your own because, after all, your website should be as unique and dynamic as you are. Thanks for watching and happy editing.